and we're all really happy, we're all really excited, and I don't really need to elaborate more and tell you exactly the whole cause behind Being Human. Everybody is aware that all proceeds of whatever that you see in the stores goes towards the Being Human Foundation, which really does a lot of.
सलमान भाई का ये आइडिया था और माशाल्लाह जो मैं प्यार देख रहा हूँ क्या ये लेकिन जिस चीज़ के पीछे कितना नोबल थॉट हो या जो भी प्रॉफिट्स होंगे वो चैरिटी के लिए जाएंगे, तो एक बिजनेस के साथ एक चैरिटी का मॉड्यूल भी है जो बहुत बढ़िया है। और मैं जो आज भाई ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा क्या वो चाहते हैं क्या उनकी तरह और लोग ऐसा करें, क्या पैसा भी कमाएं और अच्छा काम भी करें।
Is a charity in India, do you have to pay taxes? And also, the people who are working on Being Human right now, is it people that you've hired or is it just people who are volunteering at the moment?
Like I said, right now there is no administrative cost. We don't pay anybody any salaries right now. It's just the family. There will be, there will have to be later on. What happens here is the money comes in, we pay taxes, and it goes straight to the charitable trust. So we don't get to spend the money. The money, we don't see the money at all. वो तो ना कि हाथ को आया मुंह को नहीं लगा आया गया.
My question is if you could reveal the percentage of the proceeds that will be dedicated
100% of the money that comes to us, the profits that comes to us goes back into the charitable trust. Everything that we get in, we pay taxes, and the money goes back into the charity.
Considering your close relation
and obviously if you have to launch yourself in retail, you need to make a little bit of noise in the crowded space. Also, as a company, our CSR initiatives are very strong, and we always believe in the philosophy. We thought of this concept of tying up with Being Human. Being Human is a brand promoted by Salman Khan, who's not only a national but international icon. We thought that it would be a fantastic way to get into the retail space with a brand ambassador like Salman Khan.
That is done. I mean, that we already know.
Invest in about 10 to 12 flagship stores across the country. Gradually, as the brand gets more visibility, we'll go into the franchisee model, and the plan is to have at least 300 to 400 franchisee outlets in a span of next 3 years, purely with the pull of the star and the cause which is behind the brand.
So you have to put in marketing expenses?
Absolutely. We are investing initially about 50 to 60 crores to roll out the flagship stores. Later on, we are purely going to focus on franchisee and MBO concept because that will generate more sales, and we have to reach out to people across the nation. As the business.
Is it a revenue sharing?
No, not at all. It is a small percentage of the sales that will go into the Being Human Foundation, which will be used for betterment of.
Being Human was just an idea. It was a foundation, formed by Salman Khan, and till I just thought of the name, I had some access to him through his brother-in-law is my very close friend, and I said, why not make it a brand? Why not make it a business which is social business?
And by 2015 we'll be in about 850 selling points in our country.
That's like huge. मतलब उसकी प्लानिंग करने के लिए आई थिंक आपको बहुत अच्छा बिजनेसमैन होना बहुत जरूरी है। तो सलमान खान एज ए बिजनेसमैन कैसे हैं कि अकाउंट्स बिल्कुल ठीक रखते हैं, क्या है कैसा?
अगर आप इसका आंकड़ा लगा लो कि इसके पैसे आएंगे और वो पैसे जाएंगे चैरिटी के अंदर, तो बिजनेसमैन में कैसा हुआ आपको इसका
नहीं, मगर इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, क्योंकि आप स्टोर्स खोल रहे हैं तो उस हिसाब से
उस हिसाब से हमारे पार्टनर हैं जो जिनके आंकड़े दिमाग में बहुत तेजी से चलते हैं। मेरा सिर्फ इतना कंट्रीब्यूशन था कि मैं उनको जितना दबा सकता था, दबोच सकता था, और वो भी दबने और दबोचने के लिए तैयार थे, क्योंकि वो भी इस कॉज के अंदर बिलीव करते हैं। तो और वो अतुल के दोस्त हैं, तो एक फैमिली रिलेशन।
So we thought that today in a crowded space where each brand has something unique to offer, they come up with specialty products, or as Rajiv mentioned, they've come with Lacoste is known for PKs, Marks and Spencer is maybe more known for undergarments. Each one comes with a certain USP. I thought, why not make a brand which is on the socio-ecological side, make it a name which, the name Being Human itself is a very, very strong statement, and the things that you can exercise and do within this name is infinite. The possibilities are infinite. So I had to break that myth. I had to create a whole story around it. I had to create an experience around the brand. It was a big challenge, but it all started by adding a heart into the logo, so we gave it a new identity. And obviously, all the things that we do in and around the brand, apart from the cutting-edge fashion that we want to offer to people, is activities related to socio-ecological aspects and issues. For example, we would spend a World Environment Day, we would spend a Girl Child's Day, we will celebrate a World Autistic Day. So we do activities which somehow make an impact or a difference in the society. We do a large part of our production of garment is also in organic cotton, so that's being fair to the world and being fair to the environment. Obviously, for the love of charity, for the love of the celebrity, somebody would buy the product once, but eventually you've got to do justice with the quality, with the design, because you're sitting in a space where a consumer has a lot to see, and there's a lot a mall has to offer in terms of various brands. So a part of the proceeds from everything that sells in Being Human goes for the education and healthcare of people.
Supporting the Being Human Foundation for a very long time on your own. So what got you to start a fashion line to support this cause? Thanks.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Money.